Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can read a deleted WhatsApp message. With me, I have two phones, for me and for my friend here. I'm going to send a message to my friend. Let me type hello. The message has been delivered there. Now I can delete the message. I long press, click that button there, then delete for everyone. You can see the message has been deleted there. So for my friend to read this message, he'll need to go to Play Store and search for an app called Notisave. The first one there. Then click install. Wait for the app to install. Then click open. Then swipe right once. Click the right arrow button there. Give permission for the app, allow. Click next. Just follow me as I'm doing. Click Notisave, then allow notifications. Then press the back button once. Give permission, allow. Now here the level of loading depends on the apps you have on your device. Just give it time to load. It's almost done. Now we're good to go. Now click next. Now here the app prioritizes the apps that you use most of the time. You can check Gmail, then we have WhatsApp here. Then click on it. Just make sure it's on, the notifications are on. Then press the back button once. Now let's get back to WhatsApp. I'll just type the message once again, hello. As you can see, the message has been delivered here, my friend there. Now let's delete the message. Long press, then delete for everyone there. You can see the notification says the message has been deleted. Now to verify that, we just click on that message. If we check here, the first message hello is the message that I sent here. Then I deleted it. Then the Notisave app notifies that the message has been deleted, but my friend can still view the message over here. Hope you can see now the power of Notisave app. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos.